We'll guide you through how to download pictures from Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Log in with your account credentials if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main Dropbox interface, navigate to the folder where your pictures are stored. You can do this by either using the left-hand sidebar or the file navigation bar at the top of the page. When you find the picture you want to download, simply hover over the file, and you'll see a checkbox appear on the left side. Click that checkbox to select the picture. If you want to download multiple pictures, you can select multiple checkboxes. After you've selected your pictures, look for the download button at the top of the page, usually represented by a downward arrow. Click it. If you're downloading multiple pictures, Dropbox will automatically compress them into a zip file that will download to your computer. If you only selected one picture, it'll download directly as a single file. The downloaded files will typically go to your system's default download folder, but you can change this location in your browser settings if needed. Remember, if you need to download a large number of pictures or files, ensure you have enough storage space on your computer. Also, a stable internet connection will help to avoid any interruptions during the download process. Once the download completes, you can unzip the file if it's a zip, and you should see all your pictures ready for use. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.